All right, good morning, traders. Looking at the SPY, it's a little all over the place. And I haven't really seen anything I'm too excited about on any scanners or anything. Yeah, nothing on that top 10 gainer list. We only got one on this Ripper scanner here. Let's try a different scanner, I guess. Whoops. I don't know what scanner that is. This thing's still running. I guess we'll put it on the watch list, but I just don't like it because it's way down here. There's no news on it or anything. Just pushing up to that 50-day. I don't know. I'll put it on the watch list. We'll see. Maybe it could keep going, but doesn't have any PR or any reason to really be moving. And now I have nothing on my Ripper scanner. Let's see, DATS popping up. This looks pretty good. DTS looks pretty good there. I mean, 5 minutes. Jumping in. So it's starting to move a little bit here. So I got filled at 1268. It's not too bad. There we go. It's got to break 13 if it's going to continue to run. But if it can break 13, it should move right up. Well, 14 some resistance. And then, of course, 15. We'll let that move around for a second. Oh wow, now my top 10% gainer list is not even working. What's going on there? CEI. No, CEI is a slow runner. Keep an eye on it. Let's see. And a little resistance at 13.17, 13.15. Just have to see if it can break through all this resistance. So far, nothing but buying volume. What is EGY? EGY just going straight up 2. Otmo still halted. Oh, SPY dumping again today. I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm just going to let DATS try to do its thing here. No reason to get greedy. Wouldn't go against the downtrend of the entire market. See, whatever this is, Otmo, unhalted. Still some decent buying coming in here. So we're all over the place. A lot of indecision. I just don't like that pattern on BMRA really selling off here. GATS pulling back. That looks alright. Just a little breather going on there. For some reason, nothing is showing up in the chat, so I don't know if you guys are talking or not. You guys are just quiet this morning. Like the market. Optimal getting some buy-in coming in there. What is XENE? Positive results from phase 2. This is a higher price stock. So I really don't want to use the capital to try to trade it, but it is starting to look like it might be a play. And there you go, Otmo continuing to come down. What a boring market so far this morning. Gen2W, nothing there. GBXI, nothing there. Yeah, Otmo, that's just a little quick pump and dump, it looks like, at this point. Where's the SPY gonna hold at? That is the question. Yep, it's a good idea, Sicilian. That's why I got in DATS. SPY was moving up, but it's turned back around. But DTAS is still looking not too bad here, trying to push up, even with the SPY. Kind of fumbling around here at this support area. Yeah, Otmo's looking like it was a big pump and dump. That's got 125 million shares in it. I ain't even touching that. That thing's too wild. CEI is slowly doing its thing. Alright, well, at this point, we're going to be waiting things out here for a little bit because nothing's happening. And I got the position on DATS. CEI could possibly keep running. But other than that, there's not really anything moving. CEI's got to break at 360 area, right where it's getting held up at. FLMN popping up here. This is an energy stock. Pays out a little dividend. I'll keep that on watch. Nothing on GBXI. OPGN. gains on FDA approval. Okay, now we're talking. Nice little uptrend right there. If I can hold this uptrend, let's see what we got. Resistance at 375. I may start looking for an entry on this. See all their news. Revenue 1.2 million. FDA clearance. So they had good revenues and they had FDA clearance. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. I can hold that trend line. CEI is still pushing up. SDPI. That's getting a little pump on it. We got resistance at 215. And it may crack. What? Hello, Lori. Good morning. Good morning, Ruben. Not much. I've got a small position on DATS. Seeing if it's going to push up anymore. It's just kind of consolidating at the moment. But I'm not seeing much. I kind of like OPGN if it can hold up, but looking like it's cracking. What are you looking at, One Life? Because it's looking sketchy today. At least so far. Market trying a little rebound, but looks exactly the same as that pattern right here, so we may get another leg down. It's trying. Got a lot of buyers sitting there on the trend line. See, Upmo came all the way back down to 6. Does look like 6 is some strong support, or trying to be. Oh, DATS, you starting to crack now? My God, it is so ugly today. So ugly. Yeah, so look at that. The same pattern happened. Exact same pattern. 2 green bars, big leg down, 2 green bars, big leg down. We're just stair stepping down on the SPY. Until the SPY breaks this downtrend, everything's probably gonna struggle to do anything. Well, at least that's the way it appears, because I'm just not seeing anything. And even DATS is starting to crack now. Testing that bottom support. So it needs to hold up there, but see USWS, this guy's starting to move some. So we got oil and gas moving. Put USWS up there for now. It's actually got a little bit of, it's running into that resistance now at 310. It's got to break 310 right across the bottom of that, and it could start going. I'm gonna fall asleep here. This is sad. This is a sad market right now. USW and USWS trying to run. See, the high is at 305, so we're over that, and then so I mean we got a little room to run up to 4 if this thing can break. SPY. SPY is looking pretty ugly. May keep an eye on CEI for a possible play. OPGN cracking that uptrend, so that uptrend's gone. AVDM, what is that popping up for? It's a healthcare stock. So they have some decent PR, nothing amazing. Gotta break that 50 day at 250, so break at 250 I could run. It's got quite a bit of room to move up before it really runs into any resistance, but I don't like it because it's below the 200. We do have a more of a channel than anything, really. $98 million shares. I don't know about all that. OPGN, CEI, both those pulling back. CNE on a downtrend. I'm doing nothing. That's may have to lock you out. It's still holding the 200 day, which is a decent sign, but it needs to break back up here soon. Yeah, and that's looking pretty bad here. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of it. Just take his $10 loss. I ain't gonna risk any more on it. Or actually, I just put a stop loss in right in under that price. What was that? 12.10. So we'll put like 12.05. More than likely, it looks like I'm going to get stopped out. Looks like that's done moving. Fortunately. PMRA is still selling off. I need to get rid of that, but I'm trying to give it a chance to come back up. SDPI pushing up for that high year break. Getting held up a little bit. SPY still dumping. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick little break and just give this. I'm just going to give the SPY I don't care, man. I don't want to risk any more than what I'm already risking on DATS. So I mean, the SPY is just going straight down at this point. I'm just gonna wait things that, yeah. See, I got stopped out already. It's probably gonna dump, but the SPY is dumping right now. It's just trying to hold 430, but it's struggling to do it. Yeah, I mean, this is an ugly pattern. If it dropped down to where my stop loss was, it's just ugly anyway, so there's no reason to be in it any longer. Yeah, I'm going to take a quick little break because I'm not touching anything while the SPY is going straight down. Yeah, that little rebound was a little fake out. It's still going straight down. So yeah, I'm not doing anything until we get some type of floor. But this is just going to keep dragging everything down at this point. Nah, I probably won't. I'm not too concerned about DATS. Yeah, it's getting ugly. All right, give me a couple minutes, guys. I'll be right back. Whoops. Alright. Sorry, guys. My dog made a humongous mess. It was absolutely terrible. Let's see what we got going on. Make the shirt, you dirty stock. If it has a flogger on it. Alright. Yeah, investors definitely quit. Oh, SDPI. That thing popped some more? I sure did. So that getting a little bit of a move. USEG. This is a little oil stock. This is a very low float. Now this thing can pop. Damn it, get out of that. It's testing that $5 area right now. See FLMN, I don't like the way it's moving. It's moving too slow. USW, that could keep running possibly. OPGN, that's done. That looks done. Gonna break 510 on this play. Really need to sell BMRA. Should never have swung that in the first place. Yeah, DATS is going under that 10-day moving average now. This is a little head and shoulders on USEG. Oh yeah, we're turning red. We are turning red. Even though it's a head and shoulders, a possible head and shoulders, I kind of like it. We're going on USEG, starting to push up here. Let's see if it can break out or not. Very low float. I feel at 504. If it starts getting big volume, it could absolutely rip. Selling at the 505 and 506 area right now. Here goes, starting to push up to that 510 area, getting very close to possible breakout here. Getting a bit of a spread. We got an 8-cent spread. 510 holding as resistance right now. Got to break 510. Shoot, the SPY is still looks like it's going to drop even more. We've dropped what, 434? Dropped $6 so far. If that continues to drop, then we're going to see a very much lower. Like if we crack 425, that's it, folks. Get ready for the big one. I never said, what the hell are you talking about, Daniel B? That doesn't even make any sense. Nowhere in that video did I say that consolidation doesn't exist. The whole video was about consolidation. I explain. Did you even watch the video? Like, what are you talking about? You're not even making any sense whatsoever. Whole video was literally about consolidation. Alright, USEG. We gotta get a nice push here. Get through all this resistance. No, I did not say it doesn't exist, Daniel B. Come on now. If you took it as I said it doesn't exist, I said stocks only move two ways, up or down. Sideways is not a movement. It's just the stock is going sideways until it moves up or down. That is nowhere close to saying that it doesn't exist. Stop trolling me while I'm trying to trade. I ain't putting up with it. While I'm trading, if you're trolling, you can get the ban hammer. I don't care who you are. BMI is really looking bad. XCNE is moving. And it's starting to. Trying to break that downtrend, but maybe holding this for a little bit time because it's not getting that much volume yet. I gotta get out of this, man. I don't know why the fuck I'm still holding this. This is stupid. Just get the hell out of it. Sitting there eating losses for no reason on a stupid swing I should have took in the first place. All right, USCG. Anytime today. USCG is on this scanner. So we got GBR starting to pop up as well. Pretty sure GBR is real low float too. So if I got enough to hop in here on GBR. Nope. I just got 10 shares of it. Oh, wait a minute. USCG starting to wake up now. Pushing over 512. We got to break 515 and we'll be off to the races. SDPI just giving up. I don't like that. It's only $2 anyway. I don't care about that either. I'm going to be watching GBR and USCG for now. These two are looking like they're getting ready for some moves. Now, they'll probably be quick moves. When they do. GBR is trying to push. Oh, touching 515 right now on the ask. Let's see if it can break down. He says some sellers sitting there. GBR pushing up some more. 522. Let's go, USEG. Let's go. You're so close. The ask is all the way up at 518. We're just, well, we got some buyers up there. We just need more buying. Need these bids to move up to 515 and start holding that support. Got one at 512. Come on. Look on the 15 minute. We're looking. I like what I'm seeing on the 15 minute. Just slowly climbing up. Higher lows, higher highs. We're set up. It just needs to go. Needs a big buying volume push. Yep. Well, it's not even the day. I mean, gas stocks and energy stocks have been running the last 2 weeks before OPEC said anything. Commodities. I'm pretty sure I saw that oil was up to $80 a barrel or something like that. Let's check the chart and see. Yeah, it did get up to $80 a barrel, almost close, 78. How's gold and silver doing? Gold getting a hell of a rebound. Yeah, buddy. That's on the 15 minute though. I forgot I'm looking at the 15 minute. Silver rebounding too. So we got commodities rebounding. The dollar. Look at the dump on the dollar here on the 15 minute. Dollar dumping down. Maybe all she wrote. Last night was like 72, 73. Yeah, I saw it when it was 72, 73, and then at some point, I don't know. I barely slept the last 3 days, so they've all blurred together. But at some point in the night last night, I saw the PR that it went up. Phew, that SPY is just barely holding. All right, USG up to 517. Can you do it? Can you get going here, buddy? See, we did just break pre-market high, so yeah, we should start pushing. Just get a little bit more volume in there. So we haven't even had 1 million in volume yet. We only had 920,000 so far all day. See, GBR just having a little pullback to 5. If it can hold 5, has support that could continue to run. Bids finally at 515, stacking 515. We should start moving here. Oh yeah. It's just a slowly creeping. Oh yeah, I'll get sleep. I'm about to go on that, that 2 week hiatus here, and some of that's vacation time. So I'll get some sleep. One knife talking about Britney Spears already. You know it's a slow day when we're having to bring up Britney Spears to entertain ourselves. Man, where's Ross Cameron's chat room or somebody's chat room? This would be a great pump. They could pump the hell out of this stock. See, MXC, that just had a little explosion. A little too late, though, for the party on that. But that could be one to keep an eye on possibly the rest of the day. Let's hit that new high at $16. Oh yeah, yeah. I meditate. I meditate more than I sleep. I meditate, and that helps my brain. But I'll get plenty of sleep on vacation. Trust me. I'll be chilling out. Oh, all right. I had to meditate after a bottle of Jaeger. So I got about 20 more minutes here, and then I got to get going. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, go ahead and get those in. Yeah. Yeah. Pre-gaming sounds better than meditation, that's for sure. If you're meditating with a bottle of Jaeger. I knew all these cryptos was gonna crash. Let's see, where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin, well, no, cryptos haven't crashed really, but they're pulling back at the moment. I may have to hold this for a little while unless it starts to break out here. It needs to break out soon if it's going to. Having this nice little rolling price action here. Nice liquid flowingness. Holding up support areas. Set up. This thing is set up to go. Just gotta get through these last little resistance lines. Looks like the SPY finally found somewhat of a place to slow down at. About, yeah, that 427 area. We finally stopped going straight down, or at least going sideways a little bit here. Guys, I know it's boring. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. This is a boring market. There's just nothing really happening at the moment. This is what's going to happen when we have these big dump offs. We just got to wait the big dump offs out, or, somewhere in the big dump off when it starts getting close to the bottom, look for a position on something. So again, rejected at 520. Alright, come on USEG, do something. See, did MXC keep running? No, MXC gave up. Anyway, that's what we're seeing. We're just seeing little quick pops and then stocks are giving up. AREC, that's way below, that's down there below all the moving average. Don't want no part of that. Now USUW starting to look like it may try to push up. Could be a possible play there. Zine with a little bit of a double bottom. Did break that downtrend, but just barely moving. It's not boring. I'm bored, that's why I'm saying it. Because we're an hour and a half into the market and we've barely had any type of upward movement out of anything. I mean, a few small rips, but nothing, no consistency yet. Top NASDAQ gainer list, the biggest percent gain we have is XENE. And it's up 80%, but that's pretty much because of a reverse stock split, it looked like. Quiet market. Wonder what Hal's doing. What's Hal doing over there, guys? Anybody been over in Hal's stream? Is he trading or is he sitting out right now too? I mean, I'm not sitting out, but I'm not going to do anything else. Well, I don't have any funds, but I'm going to hold these two stocks for a little bit, see if they can go at some point. USWS still pushing, it looks like. Yep, looks like that may start to have that breakout. Maybe. If Hal is trading, I don't know what he possibly could be trading, really. VTNR. This is another energy stock. A little higher float, though. Good morning, Tony. You are absolutely right. It is a bloody morning. Everything just dumping, looking nasty. Makes my feelings hurt. But looking like it's probably going to give out around 428. No questions, anything for me today? I'm going to be gone starting Wednesday. Like I said, I'm going to try to do some streams while I'm gone, but they're going to be few and far in between. I do have content coming out for you guys. While I'm gone, there's going to be multiple videos popping up on the channel. There you go, USCG. Keep creeping. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta find something from my real estate agent. Oh my goodness. Hello, don't know. From Southern California. I bet it is hot there right now still. If that's what you meant by that emoji. Little sun emoji. How's it going in California? Or in Southern California, I guess you should say, because it's a big state. It's a about 5-10 more minutes here, guys, and then I got to get going. I do plan on doing a live crypto stream on the other channel today, here in a little bit. But my time is very limited right now. I've still got a lot to do to get ready for this traveling. As I'm just gonna hold USCG, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out in tonight's last rip episode, because it's just not moving at the moment. I mean, I'm not gonna sell it at the moment either, because it's still uptrending. It's just a slow uptrend. Yeah, there should be. Yeah, there's a video on level 2 here. I'll grab the link for you real quick. Oh yeah, Hal's still live streaming there. Yes, there it is. There you go, Tony. That is one of my level 2 videos. XCNE still slowly climbing. If it can break over that high, that pre-market high, it could really start moving. Oh, you gonna start popping here a little bit? Be nice for you to have the breakout before I have to go. Yeah, I don't blame you with the market going straight down like it's been today. It's better to wait it out. Oh man, you made her smoke a half. Boy, your sister was gone. You potatoed your sister. Why you do all that for? Why you make her a potato? I guess whatever works. If it taught her. If it taught her to be a little smarter, then that's, that works. Well, alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. Get to doing everything else I got to do. We will be back tomorrow for another live stream in the morning. Then there will not be one on Wednesday because I'm leaving super early. And then there won't be very many, if any, during the next 2 weeks. As I'm gonna try to do some streams of trading, but we'll see what happens. Depends on how busy I am on the road. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Guys, stay safe out there. It's gonna be rougher. You know, we're seeing the SPY drop. All the stuff that I've been talking about for a year is all starting to really take a toll. Economy's looking rough. Inflation's looking like it's not transitory. And as all of this happens, it's going to cause more desperation. People's money's not going to go as far. And we could see all types of violence and stuff like that. So just be careful out there. Keep your head on a swivel. Because it's about to get nasty. Especially if the SPY drops 425. If it cracks that 425 area, I think we're going to get real nasty. The fact we're even talking about making a platinum $1 trillion coin is already bad enough. Are you talking about for the crypto trading stream, Lauren? I'm assuming that's what you're asking about. So that would be probably around that 1-2-ish area, like I've been doing. I just didn't do any streams yesterday because I recorded all day. I recorded like 6 videos, so yeah, wasn't doing a live stream after that. But yeah, it should be around 2-ish Central Time. And we'll do a little crypto update and see if there's any trades for me to take. This may start dumping too. Everything's starting to dump. CEI's pulling back down. GBR. See how red this market watch is before I go. Oh boy. There's a few patches of green, but it's getting red. I'm trying to hold up at 427. So, alright guys, appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.